Hi guys, Leon this side. Welcome to this new tutorial video. In this video we will create a shake effect which I used in this edit, and the response on the edit was really good. So thank you for that. So basically I used Twitch plugin to create this shake effect in After Effects. So let's start the video. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel. Here I have two images. Let's add it into the comp. Now add another one. अभी फर्स्ट इमेज को प्रीकॉम करेंगे एंड देन सेकेंड इमेज को भी प्रीकॉम करेंगे. Now add a null object and parent the compositions. Press S to scale and make the keyframes 100 to 85 and then again 100 with a gap of 10 frames. F9 प्रेस करके कुछ इस तरह का ग्राफ क्रिएट करेंगे. Now दोनों लेयर पे मोशन टाइल ऐड करेंगे टू हाइड द ब्लैक बैकग्राउंड. Now press R for rotation and 0 to 10 and then again 0 के कीफ्रेम क्रिएट करेंगे. Now press F9 and make the same graph. Now the animation look like this, but the last keyframe को कुछ फ्रेम दूर रखेंगे जिससे एनिमेशन स्लोली एंड हो. Now make an adjustment layer and add twitch effect on the layer. Make a keyframe on a mount and enable the slide option. And go to operator controls and copy my settings. Now 0 to 100 and then 0 के keyframe create करेंगे. The mount seems too high, so reduce the value to 75 and change the value of slide twitch. And again same graph create करेंगे. Now यहाँ पे color and light को भी enable कर सकते हैं. Let's change the color to the red. And in the light section, change the behavior to darker. Okay, so this is how you can make a hit shape effect inside the After Effects. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe to the channel for more editing tutorials.
That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but